Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another CLK Video Productions product review. My name is Chris, your humble and beloved host. And today we're going to be doing another hybrid microphone. It's the Tonor TD520S. There she is. And she operates on USB and XLR connections. What we're going to do is we're going to click away real quick, and we're going to give you some specifications because they're right here on the box for me. Okay? Now we're going to do a little specifications for you because I know a lot of you technical nuts want to know. You've got to know. So I'm going to give it to you. Well, I already told you the brand name and model number. Product name is a USB XLR dynamic microphone. Polar pattern is cardioid. Input sample rate is 96 kilohertz. Bit rate, 24-bit. Very good. Frequency response, 50 hertz to 14 kilohertz. Output impedance, 6,000. Okay, that was the specifications, my friends. So now we're going to click away and we're going to hook up the Tonor microphone to the USB and see how that works first. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now you're listening to the Tonor in the USB function. It's definitely got a good reading on the peak meter here. Actually, it looks kind of hot. So I'm going to back off on it a little bit. It's actually very hot, looks like. I don't know how it's coming across with you guys. Don't hear a lot of noise or anything, but the sound is very bland and flat. Like, you know, and I'm speaking generally. Generally, most USB microphones sound crappy. Okay, they're very, very flat, bland, and, you know, there's no excitement to the sound whatsoever. You have to take care of that in post-production and editing software. So I'm going to go over some of the features on this thing. As you could probably see, we got a little light show going on the tail end of this thing. Now, I am not a huge fan of these RGB things. They're okay, but on camera they don't look very good. You know, they kind of look like a blurred out mess. And maybe, I don't know, maybe it's just my camera. I don't know. So I've seen other YouTubers with the same situation. Now, some microphones have a brightness control, and when you cut the brightness way down, it looks actually pretty good. Now, the button to control these RGB lights is on the back. It's a little tiny button right here. It's right next to the XLR cable. And you can do multiple functions. Right now, it's cycling through all the colors. Now, if I push it once, it is now cycling through all the colors, but they're individual now instead of cycling all together in a big giant circle, the whole spectrum, color spectrum. So you can see it goes through it. I like this one a little better than that cycling thing. Then you go individual colors. So you got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, aqua blue, dark blue, purple, white, and then back to the cycling feature. So, you know, a lot of people like that stuff. You know, gamers think it's cool. It's all good. You know, if you like that stuff, that's all right. But I'm going to show you the other features on this thing. And it's pretty typical of most USB microphones. Okay, you have you know, a few buttons on the thing right here, and we'll do a little zoom in. But you'll see in the very center there is a, kind of lit up microphone icon right there. And that is, if I push it just once, you'll hear now I'm back. Yes, it's a mute button. What a concept, huh? Okay, now you can adjust the headphone volume or the mic gain simply by holding this button down, and it'll change functions. You just saw the light switch over right here. I'll hold this down like this. You can see it switching back and forth. And then there's a plus minus volume controls on the opposite side of the mute button. And that's about it. Really simple. Okay, so next we're going to hook up the XLR and see how that sounds. Okay? I think there's going to be a big difference like it was on the last microphone. All right, here we go. Okay, my friends, we are back and we are hooked up to the XLR. And as you can hear, there is a massive difference in the sound. USB cannot hold a candle against XLR. It is just so much better. And you can adjust the sound on the fly with the board. You can't do that with USB. You have to do it in post-production. So I really enjoy this microphone. I think it sounds excellent. I think it's got a cool look. It's got a full metal build. It's got a metal half-yoke design, which a lot of the companies are going with now because it looks cool, I guess, on camera. I don't have a problem with it. It looks good. The mic muff looks good, and we're going to do a sound test in a second to see how it holds up. So, talking about sound test, why don't we do that right now? Okay, first, Plosives. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. How many packs of pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick? Sibilance. She sells seashells by the seashore. Now how about some bees? Rubber baby buggy bumpers. Rubber baby buggy bumpers. Okay. We have some plosives there. On the P's and the B's. Turn your mouth away from the microphone. Don't have it directly pointing at it. Otherwise, you're going to get the pretty petunia. And Kevin, you definitely don't put pineapple on pizza. Inside joke, another YouTuber. All right, my friends, we're going to go over the accessories you get with this microphone, and you get some decent stuff. You just don't get microphone thrown in a box with this thing. You also get this cool little desk mount, okay? And he's buff, man. This is metal. This thing's weighted pretty good. And it's adjustable, of course. So I think it'll work just fine on anybody's desk and will reach probably most people's mouths, unless you're 6'11" or something. But and the screw, the thumbnail screw, holds it well. So anyways, that stands pretty nice. It's not bad. And of course you get this. I brought this up already. You get the half yoke mount. You also get an XLR and USB cable. Hooray! Yes. So you basically get a nice little bundle in this box that all packaged up in this nice little brown box, or whatever box you get. And you're good to go. You can do USB or XLR. You're all set for podcasting. So I'm going to wrap it up now. I think we're about done. I think this microphone as a whole is a very good buy. So, anyways, I'm going to wrap this up. I think this is an amazing mic. Great job, Tonor. Not bad. I'm going to sign off. My name is Chris, and thank you for watching the review today. If you like the show, please like, share, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. And Janet Harms, thank you for your gracious gift. She gave us this microphone as well. So thank you very much, Janet. We appreciate it. Take care. Bye now.